Hello dear students, welcome back again to Chinmoyee's biology channel. So today we are here with a new episode of Nutrition in Animals, and this is the fifth and the last episode of Nutrition in Animal. You all know that I am dividing the lesson into small parts so that you will like the episodes and it will be easier for you to understand. So today is the last part, and here we are going to discuss about feeding and digestion in amoeba in details with detailed diagrams. So let's get started without further delay in today's episode. What we are having, let's see. So let's start our topic, that feeding and digestion in amoeba. So we all know that amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism found in pond water. Now amoeba has a cell membrane, a rounded dense nucleus and a small bubble-like vacuole. So it is having a cell membrane. So this is a cell membrane. It is having vacuoles inside and it is having a prominent rounded nucleus, and these bubbles are all vacuoles. Okay. So these are all in its cytoplasm as per this diagram you can see here. Now amoeba constantly changes its shape and position. It pushes out one or more finger-like projections. You can see that it is pushing out one or more finger-like projections which are called pseudopodia, or they are also called false feet for the movement and capture of food. So if they are seeing a food particle here, they'll move their cell membrane in the form of two finger-like projections to form a false feet, and that will engulf or capture the food, and that will form a vacuole, and that is the food vacuole, right? So what is happening after that? Let us see. Now amoeba feeds on microscopic organisms. When it senses the food, it pushes out its pseudopodia around the food particle and engulfs it. It is engulfing the food particle. The food becomes trapped in a food vacuole, and the digestive juices are secreted in the food vacuole. They act on the food and break it down into simpler substances, right? So they are acting on the food and they are breaking it down to simpler substances, and gradually the digested food is absorbed, and the absorbed substances are for growth, maintenance and multiplication. The undigested residue of the food is expelled out of the body by a vacuole, right? So this full thing in detailed diagram I'll be discussing in the next slide. So we will see from ingestion till egestion. Ingestion means from engulfing the food till the process of egestion, or that is expelling the undigested residue from the body. We will be seeing by means of a diagram, label diagram, in the next slide. So please wait for that, and please don't skip the videos, and don't just move on to any other videos. If you are skipping my videos, you will be missing the important parts which I am teaching. So please go through my full videos where I am teaching the full lesson in details, which all the notes and detailed diagrams and with labeling also. Okay. Now in later chapter might be we will learn about the transport of food absorbed by the intestine to various parts of the body. Now the basic process of digestion of the food and release of energy is same in all animals. So it is whatever it is in us or human beings, it is same in the grass eating animals, what we have learned in the previous episode, and that is same in the amoeba or the microscopic organism. So let us now move on to the next slide where we will discuss in details with the diagram. Now here let us see, these are the different stages in the nutrition or feeding of amoeba. So what is happening first? I have told you that whenever an amoeba is seeing a food, it will try to engulf the food with its false feet or pseudopodia. Right? So this is the food particle. Now this is amoeba and this is the nucleus here. Now a food vacuole is formed here. The first process here is called the ingestion, when it is ingesting the food. Now next comes after ingestion, the enzymes enter the food vacuole. A food vacuole is created and enzymes are entering this to digest this food inside the food vacuole. So this process is digestion. So after digestion, what is happening? Digested food diffuses out. So digested food is diffusing out throughout amoeba, and it helps in the growth of amoeba. So amoeba is growing now, and this phase where the digested food was diffusing was the absorption phase, and after that, when it is growing, that is the assimilation of the digested food material which has diffused to its body, right? So the first step is ingestion, then comes digestion, then is absorption, then assimilation, and last is the undigested food is getting thrown out of the body. So that is called the egestion. So this is egestion, or where the digested food is expelled out of the body. So this is all about today's episode, where I told you I'll be discussing about the process of digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion in amoeba. So this is all done in this nutrition in animals lesson. So in the next part we will be coming with a new topic, new lesson. So till then, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and please do share it with your friends. If you are having any queries, any doubts, any specific topic you want me to teach you, please do write in my comment box, and please do go through my episodes full so that you don't miss out any important part. Thank you.